In question number 4, Millie has a 12-metre length of material and she uses 4 lengths of 2.3 metres to make some curtains. She uses the rest of the material to make some cushions, and we are told that a cushion needs a length of 0.48 metres of the material. Ultimately, we have to show that she can make no more than 5 cushions. 5-mark question. It's actually just multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, whatever you choose to do to answer this question. You can do any of those operations. I'm going to try and make this as simple as possible for you to understand. So first of all, we've got to work out how much she used to make those curtains. And to do that, you can multiply the 4 and by the whole number, so 2, the units, and that is 8. And then we're going to do the 4 multiplied by the 0.3, because that's the other bit of that decimal number. So we're multiplying 4 by 0.3, and 4 times 3 is 12, so 4 times 0.3 is 10 times less than that, and it's 1.2. Okay, so I'm going to put a decimal place in the 8 metres there. I think, exclude the units for the time being, and we're just going to add those numbers together. So we've got 0 plus 2 is 2, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So far she has used 9.2 metres to make the curtains. All right, you don't have to write that down. It's just helpful to see what you're working out as you're going along. That's not something for the examiner. That's just for you to keep track of what you're doing as you're going along. We can see that she had 12 metres and she's used 9.2. So if we took the 9.2 away from the 12, and I'm going to put a decimal in 12 there, so we've got a decimal number here, then we're going to find out how much she's got left. So to do that, you can't do 0 minus 2 without going into the negative. So I'm going to nick 1. That becomes a 1. That becomes 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. Decimal place. 1 take away 9 again can't do, becomes negative. So 11 take away 9 is 2. So we've got 2.8 metres left to make the cushions. Right? Now remember that. What we need to do, and we can work out a couple of different ways, but I'm going to use the easiest way, what I think might be the easiest way for everybody to understand, and go with 5 multiplied by the 0.48. So if I do 5 multiplied by 0.48, I'm going to work out how much material it takes to make 5 cushions. So this is the calculation we're doing to make 5 cushions. Excuse the writing. Again, you don't have to write that down. It's just helpful to order your thinking in this question. And you can do this a couple of different ways. You could do it as 5 multiplied by 48. So I'm going to use the method of my choice. And then remember, what I've done is I have multiplied that 0.48 by 100 to make it 48. So I just had to divide my answer by 100. So 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. So I've got 0, adding up the diagonals, 0. I've got 4 and 0, which is 4, and I've got 2. So remember that I have to take that answer, 240, and I have to divide it by 100. 1, 2. So I've got 2.4. So to make 5 cushions, you need 2.4 meters of material. Okay, now we found that you need 2.4 meters. We've got 2.8 meters left. So if you did 2.8 take away 2.4, you've actually only got 0.4 left, 0.4 meters of the material left. And we need 0.48. So only got 0.4 meters left, which is less than the material you need to make 1 cushion, 0.48. So can only make 5. We're 8 centimeters short, aren't we, in terms of the material we need to make the 6th cushion. There you go. She makes a smaller one. which she's not going to do. It's a maths question. All right.